Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Evan, and let's get into the Hawkview announcements. There will be a color guard workshop on May 13th and 15th from 4 to 6. If you have any questions, contact Mr. Cordova at Christopher.Cordova at desertsands.us. Attention, Blackhawks. Ms. Leon has partnered with EF Tours to launch an incredible educational travel opportunity to Japan with Tokyo Disney Sea Park on Spring Break 2027. The meeting will take place on Thursday, May 22nd at 5 p.m. virtually. Make sure to RSVP the link on the flyer in the Blackhawk bulletin to receive the meeting URL. More questions, see Ms. Leon in room 353. Attention seniors, once you have decided what college or university you will be attending, please stop by the Registrar's office, room 116, and see Ms Estrada to pick up and complete the Final Transcript Request form as soon as possible. Attention Blackhawks, starting Monday, May 12th, the library will be closed during lunch, and the last day to borrow your library books is Friday, May 16th. Please plan your visits accordingly. Blackhawk football tryouts are today at 4 p.m. at the Doom Palms practice field. If you have not played a sport this season, you must get athletically cleared, which includes a physical. All of the needed forms are in the athletics office. If you have any questions, stop by room 708 to speak with Coach Ruiz. There will be a meeting of the International Thespian Society at Friday at lunch at 3:03. See you there.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Morgan, and let's get into today's sports. Spring water polo will be starting on Tuesday, May 13th at 4 p.m. in the pool complex. All students must be athletically cleared prior to May 13th. Please see flyer for additional information. Athletic physicals will be held on Thursday, May 29th at 4 p.m. for $25 in the main gym. Don't miss out on this chance to get it done. Many La Quinta spring sports teams have qualified for the TIF playoffs. Stay tuned for information on upcoming games. Have a great day, La Quinta.